Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video to show the process on this typographical project I'm working on. This was actually part of a larger project, which is an album cover for a good friend of mine, but since we changed the name, this has actually become obsolete. But the process is still great and I really love how this wording came out, so I really wanted to show it to you guys. I will be releasing the full album design process in a few weeks, but for now I really hope you enjoy this. Thanks, and as always, see you soon.